when you're taking self-portraits, you never know if something will work unless you try it. If you really just let go of those expectations, you'll uncover something about yourself that you didn't even realize was there. My name's Marina Williams. I'm a self-portrait photographer in Salt Lake City, Utah. I think that I would call my style funky, colorful, fun. I love to embrace movement and be eccentric. Lighting is the most important part of photography, so I'll set up a backdrop in front of a window and get all of my props and everything together. I think visually, texture and color is really what can elevate a photo, and you can create cool effects like that with average, everyday objects that you can find around your house. I love to jump from device to device, whether it's my phone, my tablet, or my computer. Editing in the moment is so helpful for my workflow. When I first bring a photo into Lightroom, I'll apply my presets, and after I do that, I just go into the color and lighting side of editing. I like to add more vibrance and saturation to my edits, just because I love my photos to feel really colorful and bold. I like to get inspired by all kinds of things. Sometimes I'll buy a specific piece of clothing or see something in my closet, and it will inspire the idea for a photo shoot. I found if I'm alone in front of my camera and I just feel kind of free to create however I want to create, that's where I really feel like I can experiment and grow the most. It's important for all photographers to turn the lens on themselves at one point or another. That's made me a lot more confident than I ever thought I could be, because you don't really see yourself as an artist or a creative until you go out of your comfort zone and try new things. Your work doesn't just have to be accepted and loved by everyone. As long as it makes you happy and makes you feel creative, that's the most important part.